All right, guys, here we go. 1920 Upper Deck Artifacts. 5-box break number 1. Going through the team owners over here. We got Anaheim Scotty M. Arizona Kaput. Boston, we got Brain Damage. Buffalo, Midu. Calgary, Keith D. Carolina, J. Chicago, Peter. Colorado, JB. Columbus, London. Dallas, London. Detroit, Major. Edmonton, Major. Florida, Full Nelson. Kings, Kostler. Minnesota, Ken. Montreal, Rob getting buffed out. NJD, Penzito, Bobito. Nashville going to Ken. Isles, Dan G. Range, Lieutenant Spears. Ottawa, Ken. Philly, Lars. Pittsburgh, Rob Buff. Sharks, Alex. Blues, Therm. Tampa Bay, Gare C, a.k.a. Gare Bear. Toronto, Rogulon, the Klingon. Vancouver, Tano. Capitals, Dan G. Winnipeg, Jets. Peter, and who had Vegas? Vegas. Is that you, Pens? That was you. That was Bobito. All right, Vegas. All right, just getting it filled out, so we're good to go. All right, here we go. Thank you, guys. SPX should be coming out fairly soon, I'm imagining. What do we got here? Oh. Upper Deck Bounty Program. Oh, Series 1's coming out. Looks like I'm a little bit late. All right, guys, good luck. My first time seeing Artie for 1920. And right out of the gate, is that what we call sachet or is that placebo? It is placebo. Oh, these are nice looking. Yeah, these are nice. Look good. And we got a Tundra teammate quads. We got Shifley, Lionate, Ehlers, and Pimp Daddy Kyle Connor. Winnipeg Jets. I'll get my regulars over here too. There we go. And nice looking base cards. A lot of placebo in this one, it looks like. And we got a gold. That's what you call it, bronze or gold. $2.99, Roberto Luongo. Wow, these are classy looking, man. Yeah, a lot of placebo. Oh, nice. Number to 85. Magenta or pink. Alexander Radulov. Nice card. There you go, Dallas. Yeah, these are sick looking. Yeah. Yeah, these bases are hot looking. Or the foil, anyway. And we got a nice one for the Canes, number to 165, Teuvo Teravainen. Teuvo. Uh-oh, here we go. Blackhawks, Emerald Rookie Redemption. Going to the Blackhawks. Beautiful thing is, all the redempts are already got the players attached to them. No more randoms and Artie. I think this is the Doc Man, potentially there, Penzito says. Red 187 anyway. I should have read that off. Sorry, guys. Should have read off the number. Oh, what do we got here? Charles Hudon. Artifacts, Autofacts. Charles Hudon for MTL. Believe that. Hudonsky, MTL. It is Kirby Doc on that Chicago hit. Thank you, Pens. We got a red. Cujo, $3.99 for Toronto. And another red, $3.99. Austin Matthews. Austin Shoston. There you go, brother. Austin from Scottsdale, Arizona. From the streets of Scottsdale. The hard streets of Scottsdale, man. And we got $6.99 Ovechkin. Dude, I wanted him to see him be the goal, win the goal, the whole goalie thing for the year. Rookie Redemption, Edmonton Oilers. There you go, Oil. That is number red, 192 red. We got an Orem. Elias Pettersson, Vancouver Canucks. Pettersson, Bo Betterson on the Orem for the Couve with the code. And that is Joakim Nygard for the Oilers on that redemp. We got a red $3.99 Bobby Ryan Senatros. Oh, we got a nice card coming up. Trying to figure out the right focus angle. We got Ryan Getzlaf. Filthy dual black patch, 3 out of 3 for the Anaheim Ducks. Is that in Chris's face, or is Chris... Where'd the 180s go? Here they are. Yep. Remember what I was saying? Oh, man, I'm going to take those teams, and I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. We got a gold, $2.99, Elias Lindholm, CGY. I like Elias Lindholm. You bet, Beef. Thank you. And we got number to 99, Andrew Ladd, Emerald, NYI. Oops. Oops, is there 2 on there? Nope, just 1. And we got a dual jersey, 165, Pierre-Luc Dubois. Dual jersey, CBJ, PLD. You down with PLD? Yeah, you know me. Best year ever made, Series 2, I think. I mean, forget the rookie class or any players, whatever. Just the hits and everything in its own, man. It's insane. We got one numbered at $6.99, Kopitar, and it just keeps going. It doesn't stop. From break to break, it doesn't end. We got a gold rookie dual jersey auto for the Boston Bruins, Zach Senyshyn. Again, the Bruins. What is going on? We got an NHL wild card rookie redemption. That is red 216. Red 216. All the redempts have already been chosen, which is great. Find out who that is here in a sec. And we got an RM, Austin Shoston Matthews, with the code. I don't even know if are the codes still good on this, or can you even redeem them still? Jesper Boquist for the Devils on this wild card. Going to Bobito. Bobito with the Devs. Thank you, baby. Are you taking off? Going home? Libor Hayek, $9.99. Get a little parting gift. Libor Hayek, $9.99. And we got a dual jersey. 125, Austin Shoston Matthews. Oh, code. Gotcha. Yeah, I was wondering because I remember the first time the bounty was out, man, people were spending a fortune. And they might still do it to get them all. I mean, it's pretty smart. Upper Deck did that. Gold to $2.99, Carl Brunstrom. E-Pack has become pretty nutty, too. But you still get exclusives off of E-Pack and everything that you can't get anywhere else. And we got a magenta to 85, the Nuge. I think that's magenta. Yeah, it's pretty cool, actually. And we got a NHL Remnants jersey. Guy was having a really good year. He's pretty consistent year in, year out. David Perron. Way too many players that were just having a stellar year. That would have been pretty neat to see how they ended up. Hopefully they can restart the season to finish it off, maybe. We shall see. It was a good year for Perron. Yeah, he's solid, man. He's always been good, though, you know? Dude, where's Austin Matthews going to be if he plays for 20 years? Goal-wise. And we got a red rookie, $3.99, Max Jones, Anaheim. Yager needs to come back for one more season for a farewell tour. We got a redemp, Emerald rookie redemp for the Winnipeg Jets. That is red 211. Red 211. There you go, WP. In Cincinnati, WKRP. Depending on how old you are, you will remember that. That is Billy Hanola, Winnipeg. Billy Granola. And we got an Aram Dylan Larkin with the code. Detroit. Dude, I think Artie's pretty sick in this year. I really do. Artifacts, I mean, it's a little bit tougher of breaking product, kind of. Actually, it's probably better breaking than personals, to be honest with you. $6.99 Jack Eichel, especially if you can do it in master cases. But it's kind of hard to fill in a master case, pricing-wise, etc. But generally, that would be the best way, is masters at a time in this product. Nice one. We got a patch jersey, Emerald, number to 65, Tyson Jost. Yoasting it up. Tyson Yost, Colorado Avalanche. What I do with my 180s? Oh, there they are. Right in front of me.
Landeskog. Landeskog started out a little bit slow, and then he started to pick it up towards the end of the year. Started doing pretty good. We got a red number to 399, Mark Scheifele, WPJ. You done with WPJ? Oh, yeah. Whatever that means. Emerald to 99, Henrik Lundqvist. What's going on with Lundqvist? What's happening with him? We get Series 2 filled up, guys. Series 2. A couple of those teams are, what, $1 a box? And we got a jersey, Colin White, NHL Remnants. I knew I should have got that team. They weren't that much. And I was like, no, I'm not going to do it. And then, boom, look what happens. Don't be saying that to Yager, dude. Apologize right now. No, just kidding. Forgive him, for he knows not what he says or does. Islanders, Schmilanders. We got a red 399, Dougie Gilmore for the Flames. Yeah, well, I'm 48, right? So, yeah, he's got to be, yeah, I think he's a year younger than me. Or we're close, like, he ends up being as old as I am throughout the year or something, I forgot. Final box, guys, good luck. Rookie Redemption, Avalanche. Is this Kale? Is this Kale Salad? Red 188. Yeah, we're the same age, Jen, so. Yeah. Red 188, Avalanche Redemp. Is it Kale? It is Connor Timmins. Connor Timmins on that one. We have an Aram. Mikko Rantanen. Avalanche. We got a red 399 Bernsey. San Jose. Uh-oh. We got a perp. 25 out of 25. Looks like a tiny bit of white, but it's like the end of the card. Matthew Tkachuk. Looks worse on camera, actually. Still a beautiful card, number to 25. Yeah, his mouthpieces, he started autographing them, actually. PSA DNA. 299 Barzal. NYI. We got an Emerald /99, Johnny Carlson. Caps. Put this in a little stand right here. Oh yeah, I can't wait for the buyback and the jersey break tomorrow. Patrick Hornquist, number /165. Dual jersey. Yeah, the buybacks are going to be. They're not my package buybacks, but they are higher end. I've seen them. So it'll be one buyback and one jersey per break. So, I mean, you could actually win. If you got Pittsburgh, you could win the card and the jersey, depending on who they come out as. I didn't pack them, so they're professionally packed by a different company. Guys, that's it for Artie. We have the whatchamacallit. A few left on S2, just a few. No-brainer style too. It might have changed by now, but I will get this uploaded to YouTube. I appreciate y'all. It might take me a minute to get everything listed tonight, guys. I'm not sure on a couple things. I think I have to type a couple things up, but I will send the mailer out literally the second I list everything all at once. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And Series 2, a couple teams left.